Hello, and welcome to this quick guide. Today, I'll show you how to enable the option to display movie and TV show titles in their original language on the IMDb app for Android. This setting helps you see content titles as they were originally released. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the Account section. Then, tap the Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Display. Finally, turn on the option labeled Show Titles in original language. Once enabled, the app will begin showing movie and series titles in their original language instead of your device language or region's translation. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display settings on IMDb. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tech tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.